Namaskar friends, I Poonam Dogra welcome you all and hope you and your family are safe and doing very well. Now friends, we were going through types of lithium ion batteries and we have already covered lithium cobalt oxide. So friends, before going further to the next type, I would like to ask you one thing, that why do you think there is a requirement of so many types of lithium ion batteries? Or why so many types of lithium ion batteries were discovered? Yes, firstly, to make them more affordable, to make them more efficient, and to overcome the drawbacks of the previous one or the existing one. So friends, do you remember what were the limitations of lithium cobalt oxide? If not, I'll drop the link below in the introduction box. Please go through that video because that video will help you to understand other types. So the limitations were limited lifespan, lower safety, and limited specific power. So friends, today we will cover lithium manganese oxide, which covers the limitations of lithium cobalt oxide to some extent, but still there are some limitations. So we will discuss its limitations, its applications, its properties, and its advantages, etc. So keep watching. Let's see.
Now friends, let us first see the properties of lithium manganese oxide, whose short form is LMO, and its chemical formula is lithium LiMn2O4. Now this type of lithium ion battery uses lithium manganese oxide as a positive electrode and same graphite as a negative electrode. And first commercial LMO batteries were produced by Moly Energy, which is a Taiwanese lithium ion batteries manufacturing company, in 1996. Now friends, look at this table very carefully because most of the properties are described here with values. Now the first property we take is voltage, which is high, as all the lithium ion batteries have a good voltage above 3. So it has a voltage of 3.7 and or 3.8 volt. Now friends, here to note one thing, that LMO has better qualities than lithium cobalt oxide, but the specific energy of lithium manganese oxide is lower than lithium cobalt oxide. Its specific energy is in a range of 100 to 150 watt-hour per kg. It means lithium manganese oxide will have a larger size than lithium cobalt oxide to store the same amount of energy. Now coming to lifespan, these batteries have short lifespan than other types but is better than lithium cobalt oxide. Its life cycle is of 300 to 700 cycles. And friends, at high charging, these batteries may find a thermal failure, which is also called thermal runaway. For safety, as safety is one of the main concern in lithium ion batteries, LMO batteries are safer than lithium cobalt batteries, but still these are less safer than other types of lithium batteries. And the price of lithium manganese oxide batteries is high. Okay, so these were some of the properties of LMO batteries. Now coming to the summary. So we will first talk about the advantages of lithium manganese oxide batteries. So one of the main plus point of LMO batteries is that they have high specific power. It means they can deliver high current. This property makes them useful for the applications which require high current, like power tools. Other advantages are temperature stability, and these batteries are fast charging batteries and are safer and have a good lifespan in comparison to lithium cobalt oxide. Limitations of lithium manganese oxide batteries are they have low specific energy. And to improve the performance of these batteries, these are mixed with NMC, nickel manganese cobalt. As pure lithium manganese batteries are not very common today, and the market of lithium manganese oxide batteries has been saturated. So these batteries have limited growth potential, and its applications are power tools like drill machine, jigsaw and hammer, etc., and medical devices and some electric bikes. Although most of the electric vehicles are running on NMC, nickel manganese cobalt oxide batteries, which we will cover in our next video. So friends, this is it for today.
I hope you learned something about lithium manganese oxide batteries. So if you have any queries, any questions, any suggestions, do comment. And finally, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.